Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving on to the volume of cube. See my cube.
Yes.
What are the properties of a cube? How do we identify cube? Ask you to tell us the properties. We are only mentioning one. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. It has what?
6 sides. Yes.
Side.
1,
How many
2, edges.
from a cube? How many edges can we bring out from a cube?
8. It's 8. 8.
Which one is 12?
Well done. 8.
Which one is 8? Which one is 12?
Vertices are 12 and the edges are 8.
Okay. Now, what do we call vertex? What do we call edges? The vertex is the pointed edge. Edges are where 2 or more faces meet. So take note of that. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges. This is a vertex. Do you see that? This is another vertex. Another one. Another one. See it? That is where we call vertex. So how many are there altogether?
8.
8. Yes, there are 8 vertices in a cube. Okay, there are 8 vertices in a cube. Now, when we are talking of the edges, this is an edge. This side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So 12 edges, 8 vertices. Vertices is the plural of vertex. Okay, then we say 6 square faces. 6 square faces. These are the properties of a cube. What other thing can we remember in a cube? What other thing?
Those are 90 degrees.
Yes. It has 90 degrees. Yes, the angles, they are 90 degrees. Okay. They are also part of what we are doing, the properties of this shape. Remember when we started with cylinder, we stated the properties of a cylinder. It has curved edges. It has 2 circular faces. You know, the top and the bottom is a circle. Then the part we are holding, that is the part we call curved surface. Curve, that is the part we are holding. Okay, that is the one we call curved surface. That is in a cylinder. In a cone, it has 2 surfaces, the curved surface and the circular face. Okay, these are the 2 shapes we have mentioned. Then we now move on to cube. So cube has 12 edges, 8 vertices, 6 square faces. Okay, then somebody said 90 degree in each of the angle, 90 degree each. What other property? Okay, now let's move on to the calculation aspect of a cube. Look at it. We can calculate the surface area of a cube. Somebody said it has equal sides. This is length. This is length. This is length. This is length. We call them length because they are the same. So if this side is 5, this is 5, this is 5, this is 5, this is 5, 5, 5 everywhere. If this space is 8, it will be 8 all round. So that is length. Okay, so if you want to calculate the volume of this one, it is length times length times length, or we call it length cube. That is the volume of a cube. Volume of a cube. Okay. Okay. Then, if you are to calculate the surface area, it is very simple. But with what we have said now about the property, about the volume, this is the volume. Who can tell us the surface area of a cone? Surface area. What formula do you think we are going to use to calculate surface area of a cube? How many surfaces do we see in a cube? Somebody? 6. Thank you. Now, thank you. If you now ask to calculate the surface area of a cube, what formula are we going to make use of? Something is missing. Area. Surface area.
6L squared.
6L squared. Now, area is length times length. But because there are 6 faces, you will now have 6 here, which is equals to 6L squared. That is the surface area of a cube. Are we communicating? Okay, please feel free to talk. If you don't understand, talk the talk. Amir. Okay, I hope you are talking. Okay. So that is cube for us. Who can remind? Let me do this. Okay, what is the formula to calculate the surface area of a cube? Anybody? Surface area, excuse me, of a cube.
6L squared.
L squared. What formula?
6L squared.
Thank you. What formula do we use for volume of a cube?
L
cube. Volume of a cube is length times length times length. L cube. We need to know all these things. That is, I deliberately close the page so that you will be able to remember it. We need to know all these things. It's not something difficult, okay? That is a cube. Now, after cube, we have a cuboid. Cuboid. Okay. Volume of cube is length of its size raised to the power of 3, which is length times length times length, L raised to power 3. That is the volume. Okay, we have seen that. Oh, example. Okay, look at this example. Find the volume of a cube of length 6 centimeters. Hey, Aboki.
216.
Again?
216.
Okay. So, volume of cube is equals to L raised to the power of 3, meaning what? The cube of the length. And since the length is 6, that will be 6 times 6 times 6, and that will give us centimeter cube.
Centimeter cube.
Now, we are moving on to cuboid. How does a cuboid look like?
So when are we ending?
You say what? Yeah?
It looks like a matchbox.
Thank you very much. That is a good example of the cuboid matchbox. Now look at, okay, I think that, okay, it's here. Look at this.
Sir, when are we ending?
11 o'clock. Are you tired? This is a cuboid. Now let us state the properties.
No, sir, I'm not tired. In fact, I'm excited to learn.
Okay, that is good. Now, this is a keyboard. It has 6 faces, but the faces are not the same. Now, this is one, that is the front. The back too is face. This is side 2. This is side 3. This front side has equal size with the back. This right hand side has the same shape with the left, that is this side. This number 3 side has the same with the bottom. So it has 6, but the 6 are not equal, unlike the cube. Okay, it also has 8 vertices, 12 edges, but we have 6 faces. So it is only 2 faces that are the same. This and the back, this side and the left hand side, this top and the bottom are the same. Okay, now let us see the example of this one too. That's okay. The volume of keyboard is length times breadth times height. If this place is the height, this is the length, this is the breadth, this place. So you can see that the 3 of them are not the same. So to calculate the volume, we say length times breadth times height. That is the formula to calculate the volume. So look at this example. What is the volume of a cuboid that has length 12, breadth 10, and height 8? All you need to do is the formula. Just write volume is equals to length times breadth times the height. What is the length? 12. What is the breadth? 10. What is the height? 8. By the time you multiply the 3 of them together, what do you get?
9.
Wow, you are just too much. Centimeter cube. Okay, now let's try this one now. Okay, we have not mentioned the surface area of keyboard. Surface area of keyboard. We say it has 6 faces, but the faces are not the same. If we are to look at the area, look at this place I am bringing out. This is a rectangle. So to find the area of this, I will say that height times the breadth. Now, if I look at this one again, this another one. This is length and breadth. Are we together? Okay. Now, another one is
Surface area of a cuboid.
that is the third part. That one is equals to height and length. So when you are asked to calculate surface area of a cuboid,
2LH plus 2LB plus 2HB.
you are too much. Surface area. Now, area of the part I label in red. Now, if this place is green as it is, it means the back here too will be green. The right hand side here will be red. So we have 2 equal surfaces. So and that is going to be 2 open bracket, the length times breadth plus base, that is BH, base times height, plus which other one again?
HL. HL.
Thank you very much. That shows that you are following. This is going to give us the surface area of cuboid. Now, what is the surface area of cube?
6L square.
6L squared. This I told you, we just need to know the formula. And that's all we need to know, mostly under this topic. Okay, this is just the first part of the topic. You are still going to do it maybe by the time you get to SS1. Yes, solid shape. That is that. Now, okay, we have calculated this one now. We said the answer is 960 centimeters squared. Now, look at number 2. Okay, volume of sphere. I've not got into that one. Now, sphere. How does a sphere look like? Circular. It is not like a square per se, okay, but it is like that. So, what is the formula to calculate volume of a sphere? Can somebody try to tell us volume of sphere?
Pi r cube.
Ah, you try, but it's not correct. Volume of sphere. Can somebody try again? Somebody.
Pi r square.
Yeah, you try, but it remains small. Eh?
Pi d.
Ah, madam, you can't scatter the whole thing. No.
2 pi r cube.
Okay, now let us stop guessing. Let us say
3 pi r square.
Volume of sphere is equals to, let's leave this one for now, is equals to, yes? Nobody.
2 pi r cube.
Pi r cube. Eh?
2 pi r cube.
Okay. This is volume of sphere. Volume of sphere. What do we call half of a sphere? What is the name of half of a sphere?
So how do you get 4/3?
Yes, bro, that is the formula. Half of a sphere is called
Hemisphere.
hemisphere. Something like this can be under objective question. I think I have seen it once. Half of a sphere is hemisphere. So if you are to calculate, who can tell us the formula to calculate area of a square?
Pi r square. 4/3 pi r square.
Calm down, pi r square. Then what is the formula to calculate half of a circle? That is semicircle.
2 pi r.
Area of
2 pi r square.
Listen, area of semicircle. What is the formula?
1/2 pi r square.
Thank you very much. What that simply means is that pi r square over 2. This is the formula to calculate semicircle. Because semicircle is half of a square. So to calculate the area of the semicircle, it is going to be half of circle. You know, this is area of circle. That is it. Now, why am I coming here? I want to ask you, who can tell us the volume of hemisphere? What formula do you think we are going to use to calculate volume of hemisphere? If volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cube, that is going to be 1/2, because hemisphere is half of a sphere. Half of it then times the volume of a sphere. This is it. And when we have it like this, these two will cancel out 2 here. So the formula will become 2/3. 2/3 by r cube. That is volume of hemisphere. Okay, that is that. We are done with Hello. We are done with volume of cuboid, length times breadth times height. Now, somebody has given us the formula to calculate the volume of the surface area of a cuboid. That is 2, open bracket, length times
LB
LB
plus DH plus HL.
Thank you very much. That is that. Now, look at this number 3 question. Can we see the number 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now can we try to calculate the answer? The base radius of a cone is 9 centimeter and its height is 21 centimeter. Calculate its volume.
One hundred and 89 centimeter cube.
Okay, someone has given us the answer to that. Well, number 4.
5 and 3.
Eh?
What's the
Okay.
89?
Thank you. Number 4. Number 5. No.
576.
You mean number 4?
Yes.
Number 4 is what?
576.
Okay. Then the last one.
So number 5 is 8.
Is what?
8.
Thank you. Now let's do it together now. Now the first one says the answer is 8. Okay. Okay. Now let's see the solution. Number 3 that says the base radius of a cone is and its height is calculated its volume. So as we know, what we need to write is the formula. Volume of cone is equal to 1/3 by r squared. Thank you. So we have 1/3 times. In a situation like this, they did not give us the value of 5. You are going to use 22/7. Then the radius, base radius is 9. That is 9 centimeters times another 9 centimeters. Then times 21, the height. This is 3, this is 7. 21 we cancel out. Do you agree with me?
The answer is 1. Yes, sir.
22 times 81. So when you multiply, somebody is saying 189. Where is my mistake? I don't understand what you're saying.
1,621.
One what?
1,621.
Okay.
So 1,782.
Okay. So we have 22 times 9 times 9. That is 22 times 9 will give us 198. So 198 times 9, that is 72. Carry 7. 81 plus 7, 88. 8 remain 8. 9 plus 8, 17. Thank you. 178 centimeter. Raise to power 3. Thank you. Now, question 4 is this. The volume of a cube is this. Find the length of the cube. Wow. Volume of cube. What is the formula?
L cube.
L cube. And they said that the volume is 1728 is equals to L raised to power 3. What do we have?
1,728 divided by 3.
No, it's the cube root. What divide? Define the cube root. Hello?
Yes, sir.
You find the cube root. Not divide by 3. You find the cube root.
Sir, but I divided by 3 and I got the answer.
What is the answer?
576.
How are you sure that is the answer?
That is not the answer.
Now, if that is the answer, remember the formula is length times length times length. So you are saying that the length is 576. Now, by the time you multiply this in 3 places, are you going to get that 1,728? So that is not correct. So you are going to find the cube root of this. And to do the cube root, you write 1728. You use 2. 17, that would be what? 8, remainder 1 in 12. 6 in 8. 4. We use 2 again. That is 4, 3, 2. 2 again. 2, 1, 6. 2 again. 1, 0, 8. 2 again. 54. 2 again. 27. 2 cannot go in 27. Then the next number we are going to make use of, this one is 8. It's 3. So we use 3. 3 goes in 27. 9. 3 again. 3. 3 again. 1. Now, because you are looking for cube roots, we are going to pair the numbers 3, 3. This one will serve as 1, 2. I mean 1, 2, and 3. Then this is another 2. Okay? And this is 3. So when you have to look for the answer, now you now say 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. So the answer to this question is 12. L is equals to 12. Now, to know whether that is right or not, when we say length is equals to times length, it means, since our length is 12, it means 12. Try to multiply this one now. Tell us the answer. Do this 3. 12 times 3, I mean 12 times 12 times 12 into 3 places.
1,728.
Yes, that is the cube root of 1,728. That is how to find the cube root. Thank you. So the length in this number 4 is 12. Find the length of side of the cube. The length is 12 centimeters. Now the last question.
So we got the one using 3.
You say what? Ask your question now. Okay. No question. Now, well, the last question, you said the answer is 8. The volume of a cuboid is 240 centimeters. Volume of cuboid, volume is equal to L times V times H. Now, they have given us the value of the volume. So, V, I will write 240 is equal to, if the breadth is 6, the height is 5. Find the length. We don't know the length. Length times 6 times 5. So this is 240 is equal to 30L. This has become algebra. Divide both sides by 30. 30 cancel out 30. 0 cancel out 0. 3 here, 1. 3 here, 8. The length is equal to 8 centimeters. That one is correct. 8. Very correct. Okay?
No answer.
Well done, well done. So that is that about today's class. From that question we make next time, we are going to take up another topic. Okay? So I will give you some limited questions to go with as a practice as well. Are you there? Okay. So you are going to now. Yeah, so let me just give you just this question as assignment. Let me type it here now. Then you see. So you can see that's the question. A cone, okay, has a base diameter of 20 centimeters. Oh, this one. Okay.
Sorry for that.
You say what?
Only few of them, yeah. Others, let's.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Maruf, we can hear you. We can hear you. We can hear you. Please continue. We can hear you.
That is the question. That's the question. Let's go and practice it out. So, any question from anybody? Hello, any question?
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you have to go.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm coming. Let me.
Okay. Okay.
Hi, Miriam.
Oh, wait. You have permission for this video. Okay. Yeah. Yes. I think you have it. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello, Mr. Maruf.
Hello.
Mr. Maruf, no need again. No need again. No need.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Maruf. Mr. Maruf, hello.
Hello.
There's no need, Mr. Maruf. There's no need again.
Hello. What is talking of? Can you hear me?
Mr. Maruf, I can hear
Yes,
you.
sir.
There's no need. Mr. Maruf. Hello, sir. There's no need. There's no need again since you already have the class. See, Mr. I sent you a message.
Huh?
I sent you a message. Check your WhatsApp.
Have the class ended?
Say what?
Has the class ended?
Okay, you are free to check the WhatsApp group. Okay, in the WhatsApp group there is a link. You are going to use to join the concluding part of the class. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you are free. By the time we start WhatsApp, okay, and when you go there, you see the link I will use to join the concluding part of the class. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
The assessment for this day is coming up. So always check the WhatsApp group for any message or information that will guide you. Is that taken?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think if you don't have any question, in absence of none, you are free to leave. If you have any question, you are free to ask now.
Thank you, sir.
I'm mentioned.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now, bye.
Well done, Mr. Maruf. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
All right, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, well done, sir.
Okay, Pilauga.
Everyone will be like, I got before you.
Okay, sir.